AI surpasses human creativity, transforms industries, and reshapes our future.
A groundbreaking study pitted advanced AI against over 100,000 humans in creativity tests, with models like GPT-4 outperforming the average person on original thinking tasks. This research from Science Daily reveals generative AI can now generate ideas that surpass typical human creativity benchmarks.
As one Reddit user quipped, "Guess my art degree is now about as useful as a ing flip phone in 2026.
This shift challenges our fundamental belief that creativity is an exclusively human trait, blurring the lines between artificial and organic inspiration. We must reconsider what truly defines human ingenuity when machines can not only replicate, but exceed our creative capacities. From AI surpassing human creativity to how this technology is reshaping entire industries.
MrBeast's viral antics took a serious turn when SpaceX engineers let him install a heat shield tile on a Starship rocket destined for space. This wasn't a publicity stunt. It was flight-ready hardware with zero margin for error.
As one Reddit commenter put it, so a YouTuber who gives away cars is now trusted with multi-million-dollar space hardware. What could possibly go wrong?
This moment reveals how expertise is being democratized, blurring the lines between celebrity and specialist. It suggests that in our connected age, participation itself becomes a new form of qualification. From a YouTuber's hands-on role in space engineering to the broader implications of who gets to shape our technological future.
At the University of Florida, researchers are documenting how students increasingly turn to AI chatbots for mental health support, with usage spiking during exam periods and late-night hours. Their study reveals these AI conversations often mimic therapeutic techniques, but lack the human empathy and crisis intervention training essential for serious situations. As one Reddit user noted, "My therapist charges $200 an hour, but ChatGPT just tells me to breathe and offers a bulleted list. It's like getting life advice from a PowerPoint presentation." This technological shift forces us to confront whether we're creating tools for genuine connection or merely sophisticated digital pacifiers. The fundamental question becomes, in our quest for accessible support, are we risking the very human vulnerability that makes healing possible? From AI's role in mental health support to how technology is reshaping our most intimate human experiences.
A new Gallup poll reveals that 6 in 10 American employees using AI at work rely on chatbots or virtual assistants. Another 4 in 10 use AI to consolidate information, generate ideas, or learn new things.
As one Reddit user quipped, "So basically, half of us are using AI to do our jobs while the other half are using it to figure out what the hell our jobs even are."
This shift represents more than just technological adoption. It's a fundamental renegotiation of human cognition and labor. We're not just outsourcing tasks to machines, we're inviting them into the very process of how we think and create. From AI reshaping how we work to how it might be reshaping who we are.
Quantum computing's rapid advancement is raising alarms about its potential to crack blockchain's cryptographic security. However, experts like Georgetown professor Justin Thaler urge the crypto industry to resist panic, noting current quantum computers aren't yet powerful enough.
As one Reddit user put it, "So quantum computers will break crypto. Great, just what we needed, another ing apocalypse to worry about."
This technological tension reflects humanity's perpetual cycle of creating solutions that inevitably birth new challenges. Perhaps the real quantum leap we need isn't in computing power, but in our ability to anticipate and adapt to the unintended consequences of our own ingenuity. From quantum threats to blockchain security, to how artificial intelligence is reshaping our daily work environments.
Air Products and Chemicals is facing increased analyst scrutiny as its ambitious hydrogen and ammonia projects encounter significant execution risks and ballooning costs. This has prompted investors to adopt a more cautious stance toward the company's multi-year investment plans, which were once seen as transformative for the energy sector.
As one popular Reddit comment put it, "Looks like their hydrogen dreams are running on fumes." Guess that's what happens when you bet the farm on something that literally evaporates into thin air.
This situation illustrates the delicate balance between visionary ambition and practical execution, where even the most promising technologies can falter under the weight of real-world constraints. It reminds us that progress often demands not just innovation, but also the resilience to navigate the unforeseen obstacles that inevitably arise. From the financial pressures of hydrogen energy projects to the broader implications of technological ambition.
Sunny Sethai's firefighting nozzle technology has evolved into a broader AI platform that's attracting major venture capital interest. His company now focuses on using AI to analyze sensor data from emergency equipment, promising faster response times and predictive maintenance. As one Reddit commenter put it, so the firefighting nozzle is just the Trojan horse for his real AI empire. Clever. But I'm still waiting for the robot that actually puts out the ing fire. This evolution from physical hardware to data-driven intelligence reflects how modern innovation often begins with solving tangible problems before expanding into digital realms. It reminds us that the most transformative technologies frequently emerge not from abstract concepts, but from addressing immediate human needs with practical solutions. From firefighting technology evolving into AI applications to another frontier where innovation meets urgent need.
Tiny machines built from individual molecules are moving from science fiction into working hardware, promising to reshape medicine, manufacturing, and even computing. Instead of gears and pistons, these devices rely on the choreography of atoms at the smallest scales imaginable.
As one Reddit user quipped, "Great, now my toaster will be able to judge my life choices at a molecular level."
This microscopic revolution forces us to reconsider what machine even means when the boundaries between technology and biology blur. Ultimately, we're witnessing humanity's quest to master matter itself, building not just tools but entire new realities from the ground up.
The future remains uncertain, but by embracing change and innovation, we can navigate these transformative times together. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your comments below, subscribe for more insights, and turn on notifications to stay updated.